So happy fireworks night. Okay, I got a slush puppy to drink. Alright, got some dinner, got some homemade chips, some sausages, and a roll, and I think burgers are on the way. That looks pretty cool. Whoa! You want to watch where that goes? Is it on fire? Oh my god, it is! Good morning guys and welcome to the vlog. It is Monday the 5th of November 2018 and it is 8:38 AM at the moment. Wow, that's early for me. Well, early for me to be starting up the vlog. I'm up pretty early, but like, what was I up this morning? Like 5:55, like 5 to 6 I think. But I just got some jeans, top on, my hair in a little hat. Because we're having like it's fireworks night or bonfire night or Guy Fawkes or whatever you want to call it. So happy fireworks night, that's what I'm gonna call it. Happy fireworks night guys. So we're having like a thing tonight, the three of us, my mum, Barry and me. So we're gonna like let some fireworks off, have some sparklers, have some burgers, marshmallows, roast them, maybe a bonfire. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. But so I'm just doing some editing. I gotta do some editing, recording. I gotta go to the shop, get some bits and get some marshmallows. And I've got to record a bit more and walk the dogs. And I think that's basically the plan for today. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Look at these dogs. They're so chilled out right now. Like Shadow's they're all just having a little kip on the sofa right now. Shadow's here. Lola's down here. Look at Maxie over there. They're all just so chill right now. Oh, bless them. Cutie pies. Yeah. You. And you. And you. You're all very, very cute. Excuse me. Shadow. What's that tongue doing out? Come here. Look at me. What's that tongue doing out? What's that tongue doing out? What's that tongue doing out? Oh. Close up. What about you? What about you? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Lola? What are you talking about? Tell me. Tell me. Maxie? Maxie, tell me. Maxie, tell me. Oh, good boy. Oh, you're all so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go down the shop now and grab those few bits. Okay, I got a slush puppy to drink. Can't speak. And after this, I'm gonna, or maybe during this, drink this and record. I might do it at the same time, or I might sit down and have a little bit now. I'm not really sure. I'm comfortable sitting, so for now I'm gonna sit down, but in a minute I might go and record, so yeah. Alright guys, so it's a little bit later to recording, and now I'm gonna go quickly walk the dogs and then get back to recording. Hey guys, it's about 20 to 5 now. I just finished recording. I'm just gonna chill for a bit, and then my mum comes back from work. We have like the fireworks night. Apparently my granddad has invited himself over now as well, so I just got like everything set up for tonight, like the room for the dogs, and like I got my shoes and my coat and gloves already, and now I have an apple. Alright guys, everyone's come over now, so I'm just going to put the dogs in the room, and then I think we're going to put some music on for them so it's a little less scary, and then I think we're going to get the night started. Alright, got some dinner, got some homemade chips, some sausages, and a roll, and I think burgers are on their way. Alright guys, so it's fireworks night. Happy fireworks night, guys, and Dad and Grandad are just coming out, and we're gonna set some fireworks off. Woo! Run! Oh! 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 it just goes higher and higher. Uh-oh. Ooh. 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 Whoa, are you okay? You alright? Yeah, yeah. Oh my god, I just exploded at you. Those are the empty ones? Yeah. Woo! Whoa! That gun looks cool. That looks pretty cool. You be careful. Ooh. Whoa! You want to watch where that goes? Oh my god! Ah! You just set fire to everything! Oh my god! Is it on fire? Oh my god, it is! You got it? Oh, you set fire to the tree! The tree! I don't know if you can see that, guys, but he's set fire to the tree. Oh dear. Go, go, go! What are you doing? Oh my god! And we're about to light some sparklers. Woo! Mum's roasting some marshmallows on the fire. Hey guys, it's a little bit later now, it's 10 PM. I'm sorry that I've had to switch over to the tablet, my battery died on my camera, so the last little part of this vlog is like kind of recorded on the tablet, like halfway through the fireworks. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Good night guys.